Good morning, pre-K scholars and families. It's Ms. Burdell here. I'm doing a video to help you complete some of the Day 4 activities from the Distance Learning packet. Throughout this week, you've been listening to a couple different fairy tales, The Princess and the Pea, The Very Smart Pea, and The Princess to Be. These are all different fairy tales, and fairy tales have some kind of a magical or imaginary element to them. It could be an imaginary place, it could be an imaginary person, or an imaginary thing. And generally, fairy tales have happy endings. I hope you enjoyed listening to all these different fairy tales and seeing the differences between them and some of the similarities between them. Today, we're also going to be talking about some different shapes. So normally when we're in the classroom, we have Conrad who helps us identify some different shapes and a different counting numbers, but unfortunately Conrad and Lila, they're at school together, so he can't help us, but I have one of Conrad's best friends here, and her name is Rosie. And just like Conrad, Rosie tends to make some mistakes. So I need your help to help us fix the mistakes that Rosie makes. But just like with Conrad, do we laugh when Rosie makes a mistake? No, we respectfully help her fix her mistake that she has made. So today we're going to be looking at some different shapes. And our first shape is this one. Take a good look at it. Rosie, what shape do you think it is? Rosie thinks it's a triangle. Is Rosie correct? No, silly Rosie, it's a square. How do you guys know it's a square? What does it have? What are its characteristics? It has 4 vertices or corners and 4 sides. Let's count the sides. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. Now let's count the vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 vertices. On a square, are all the lengths of my sides the same, or are some different? You're right, they're all the same. So a square has 4 sides, 4 vertices, and all 4 sides are the same length. Practice going through the other shapes with your family or as someone who is working on this video with you. Identify the different shapes and tell them how many sides and how many vertices on each of the different shapes. You've also been talking about 2 different letters this week. So you've been talking about the letter C, which says K, and the letter V, that says V. Use the pictures that are in your packet and to sort which picture starts with which sound. You can identify the cup that starts with a K, so it starts with the letter C, or the vacuum that says a V for the letter V. Go through the different pictures to see which letter each one starts with. If you want more of a challenge, you can go through the house and see if you can find different things in your house that start with the 2 letters. For example, I found a cup that starts with a C. We hope these videos are helpful. We miss you guys, and we hope all is well. Stay tuned, and we'll be posting more in the upcoming days. Bye.